all times.
Well, it's a nice day. Yesterday I worked on the brakes on the old pick-it-up truck and took the day off from the Model T. But we had it out cruising up and down the street here in front of the house Sunday. So, you know, things are moving along. Got a couple more pieces in the mail. I got a horn for it. Right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says Germany, 6 volts. So we'll see what this sounds like. My goal is to mount it underneath the hood. Maybe get that shined up some. Here is an old knife switch I got for my master battery shut off, turn on. And that'll mount on the firewall too, so I can have the battery shut down. So that's that. That's kind of what we're doing today. Pretty nice day. Not going to be a, not going to be a 95 like they've all been so far. All right, we'll get to it. Well, here's all the individual components of this horn. I couldn't get it to work. Not starting out on a good footing this morning. Hopefully I remember how this all go back together. But ran the ohm meter on that, and that's still good. So we're going to work our way out from this through all these bits and make sure we've got continuity, and then what a way to start the day.
Also travels back in time. They suddenly are faced with those decisions, aren't they?
A very common question that people bring up that doesn't make much sense is,
all right,
why didn't they just run away? Why didn't they fight back?
I think I got it working. Where are we at here?
I remember
Okay, here we go.
early years, I was thinking the same thing. And really,
That sounds pretty German to me.
Because, doing that is risking your life.
I'm not a fan of the Aruga horn. This will be fine. This will get me on the road.
Well, there are so many different ways that power is wielded in this novel. I want to talk, before we really dive into that, I want to talk about the main character, Dana.
Right.
As I mentioned,
Let's
26-year-old black writer.
see if we can get this hooked up now, my battery switch.
Her parents have passed away.
Okay. Right, what we got done today was the battery shut off. It's right there. Battery on, battery off. Completely isolates it. And, we got the horn mounted. Yep. Oh, that's better. And we got it working. Boy, that was a struggle, as with everything. But I'll sit down here. I'm pretty happy with this. This makes me feel a lot better that I've got a cutoff for the battery. Makes me feel a lot better. Alright, that's it for today. Short session. Well, good morning. And it's going to be a hot morning. Well, hot day. Not bad yet. Anyways, today, before I got the camera out, I came in and, put the floorboards back in. I got the pedals adjusted so that they don't hit, these. I didn't know if I was going to have to extend these holes or not, but evidently I've got them pretty close because everything stops before it gets to the end. So I'm gonna put some oil on this wood, clean some stuff up. This buggy is gonna go to its first car show in 2 days, so I don't want to tear anything apart that would, you know, end up a disaster and have it in pieces when the trailer shows up for it. That wouldn't be good. So we're just going to do nitpicky stuff and, you know, make sure it stays whole. Maybe adjust some stuff, all that jazz. I got, what did I get? I got something in the mail. Oh. Got some more wire. Cloth covered wire to do the taillight. Today we're running on AC and DC, so everything's working well. Yeah, we'll let that soak in, and then hit it again. All right, this is what we're doing right now. I want this lever to be in this position when the clutch is disengaged, and or when the clutch is engaged, I should say, and I go into high gear, or I'm able to go into high gear. Well, now that you're completely confused, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. I'm putting a stop on here, so that lever will stop right there. That's a old post from the mag, so it doesn't, you know, come clear down here and, you know, an unhandy position. So basically here is, you know, anything above this is clutch disengaged, and about in here somewhere the brakes start working. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright, seemed to have worked. There, now it can only go so far and stays within reach instead of coming clear down here like this, where you got to really stretch for it. Brake on, clutch brakes off, clutch disengaged, clutch engaged. So there we go. That'll make it a little more handy to drive. When I was putting it up and down the street here, it was awkward. I didn't like it. But it's all part of tuning, as they say. So okay, what's next on the list? I need to put some more oil on these spokes, and the whole thing needs a clean, but I think I'm going to wait till tomorrow to do that. All right, we're on our way to the big show.